Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. In this video, we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become a certified mobile testing Appium professional, and how a Vskills placement cell can help you with your job. For complete study guide, you can go to the link shown in the description. So let's get started. Appium refers to an open-source test automation framework that is used for testing of native, hybrid, and mobile web apps. It also tests iOS, Android, and Windows apps using the WebDriver protocol. However, getting knowledge in Appium can help candidates to become mobile testing professionals in automation. The mobile testing Appium professional are the candidates having skills and abilities to set up the Appium test framework with establishing testing direction, and writing the test scripts, and execute test protocols. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job providers, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills placement cell help you in job search, and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills placement cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Candidates will find employment in top companies like HP, Adecco, Capgemini, Accenture, Tata Consultancy Services, HCL, etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified Mobile Testing Appium Professional covers the following topics. 1. Software Testing Introduction. 2. Web Development Basics. 3. Appium Basics. 4. Appium Commands. 5. Writing and running tests in Appium. 6. Testing mobile web apps using Appium. 7. Appium Testing and iOS. 8. Appium Testing and Android. 9. Appium Advanced Usage. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of a mobile tester in Appium. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bought with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.